And then here's a view kind of from below as this thing's coming in to land. You can see that it's got just those 2 wheels on each of the main gear as opposed to the 4 for the B2. And then this is an image where we can really see the aircraft's auxiliary intake doors. So because the intakes are so specifically designed for stealth, they might not get the air they need at low speeds or higher angle of attacks when this thing's taking off or coming into land. So those auxiliary intake doors open up, and they've kind of got that delta wing design where they open up and they allow extra airflow to go into the engines to keep any type of compressor stall from being an issue.